Welcome back to this video. My name is Yahoo right here, and in today's video I'll show you on how to lock and unlock your Yahoo Mail app with fingerprint in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Yahoo Mail app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Yahoo Mail app. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then click on security. Then it's going to take you right here. App unlock. What you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here to lock the app. Then you'll be asked, do you want to lock the app after 15 seconds or 1 minute or 5 minutes? Everything depends on the time you choose right here. So after leaving the app, how long until a device pin or pattern or fingerprint is required for reopening? So I'm going to leave it in 15 seconds. I'm good with that. Then we can simply go back. Now, once we exit from Yahoo Mail app, so within 15 seconds of exiting from the Yahoo Mail app, by the time we go back to Yahoo Mail app, and Yahoo is going to ask us to provide the verification pin or the fingerprint or password that we use to log the Yahoo Mail app. So let's, for instance, I want to reaccess my Yahoo Mail app now. So I'm going to click on here. After the 15 seconds, then it's going to ask me to enter my lock pattern right here. So I'm going to simply make use of pattern. Then we have access back to Yahoo Mail security settings. So I can simply go back to my Yahoo Mail box right here. Now, let's say you want to unlock and remove the fingerprint. What you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top right here. Click on it back. Then simply go back to settings. Then go back to security. Then you have app unlock. Then turn off this particular button. Enter your security lock pattern or your fingerprint. Then the app is being unlocked. It's as simple as that. So we can simply go back to our mailbox just like so. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.